So what's the catch with replacing the battery on this vehicle? Well, in this video we'll not only show you how to remove it safely, but also what to look for when purchasing a new battery. Let's get you started. Open the bonnet from the driver's side, then push the safety latch upwards to release the bonnet. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal and then the positive. I'll post some links in the description why we do this, so make sure to check it out. In the meantime, if I were to put myself in your shoes to figure out what battery this is, I'd be disappointed to find just a bunch of numbers on the sticker with the date of first charge and the open circuit voltage. So, I'll make it easier for you in just a bit. Next, loosen the 10mm nuts on the bracket. You'll see me always working with an extended socket purely for these brackets, and it's much quicker than a spanner. If you like these videos, please subscribe to let us know. Take note of where the hold-down rods hook into. It might not be that obvious when installing the new battery. Now, when it comes to the new battery, you'll need to look for the following. The original battery is around 50 amp hours and 340 cold cranking amps. A battery with a flat top to fit the full width of the bracket, preferably without bottom hold-downs to fit the tray properly. And lastly, the orientation of the terminals, as you do get this size with a positive and negative swapped. But we're not done just yet. Now that you've spent all this money on a new battery, you'll want to know how to make it last as long as possible. So go and watch this one quickly.